Hi friends, today I thought we would try something a little bit different and do a day in the lifestyle video and just spend a Friday together. Today we went to go visit a brand new place to us. It was a little bit of a drive, but we visited Smucker Gardens. If any of you are in central Pennsylvania, this is in Millersburg, Pennsylvania, and it is an absolutely gorgeous greenhouse and garden center. I highly recommend it. The kids were so thrilled. My oldest daughter called it Fun World. I think that they've been in existence for a few years now, but we've just never gotten there to check it out, and a couple of friends had suggested it and said that it was absolutely gorgeous, so we finally took a Friday and made the drive out there so we could check it out, and we will definitely be going back. The kids were absolutely enthralled with this fountain. There was this gorgeous seating area over here, and the kids loved this as well. We sat and drank some coffee and just enjoyed the scenery. They had everything here from house plants to tropical plants to vegetables and shrubbery and flowers. It really was Fun World. Ethan and I got an iced Americano to share from this little coffee shop here. And they also had paninis, which looked so good and smelled so good. And we didn't actually buy any paninis, but we went home and made copycat paninis. And that will probably be a future video because they turned out really well. One of the things we were looking for here, and pretty much the main reason we came, was because we needed tomatillo plants, and I'd been looking all over for them and hadn't been able to find any more tomatillos. Not all mine did so well this year. I potted them into some bad soil, and so I only had one or two that was really thriving, and we love to can salsa verde, so I needed more, and I knew that they had them here. So we came for that, but then, oh my goodness, they just had so much stuff here that we ended up going home with a whole cart full of plants.
Oh, that smells good.
I started some of that from seed. Want to smell it?
Good.
Everybody smell? That smells good. Come here. Want to smell it? Smell good? No, I don't smell anything. Maybe this one. Ooh, that one's got a good smell. That's so good?
Smell that Russian sage.
I was just gonna say, I think this makes a pretty cool. Stand back, sweetie. Gets up to 48 inches tall. Hardiness zone is 6 to 9.
Which one's that?
The Russian. Oh, it kind of smells like
Good.
gasoline.
Can I smell?
Can you smell that? Does that smell like gasoline?
Yeah, it
to you?
smells a little bit like petroleum.
Oh yeah.
I don't know about that one.
Smell it. Smells funny.
Good. Those are good.
Oh, look at the pretty variegated sage. Oh, it is hardy here. That would be a perennial. I don't know how I feel about the smell.
Yeah.
Aren't they pretty? Mommy likes the variegated leaves on those.
Can we please get them?
No, I don't know. Yep, we're looking still. Okay. You want to pull your cart over? Feel that? It's fuzzy.
Mommy,
Interesting.
big strawberry plants. Can we get it?
No, we have strawberries at home, sweetie, and we just bought some strawberries. No, you can't, or else you'll have to buy it. I like the creeping time. That's what they use to put like between rocks for when you're making
and it
like
goes in between, like Jess has.
yeah, like when you're doing stepping stones, you can put
Yeah.
this in between, and it stays short like that, and you can step on it.
We should do that up at the chicken pen.
Oh,
That's
we
what we
should.
should do. Because then I don't have to keep weeding that, right?
Do you want to get it?
Will that overtake it?
We should.
Other things?
Already in zone 4 to 9. It's kind of cool.
Can you put it in, please?
Yes.
Yeah, we can. Maybe put it up at the chicken pen and around the papers up there.
Do you want to keep spreading it out?
Comfrey.
Oh yeah, we were wanting that.
Didn't we?
This is what they use to make that salve that you really like for your dry hands. We can get this and make our own salve.
Yeah.
Yeah? Put it in?
Yeah.
Lemon balm and balm. I need to plant my nasturtium seeds at home. I didn't plant them yet. Butterfly weed. That's what it's good for. I need to plant my calendula seeds too. Grapefruit mint? Oh yeah, mint grapefruit. Oh, stabbed myself in the eye. I don't know.
How's that smell?
I don't know if I get the grapefruit. You smell it.
Pasta?
What do you think?
A little bit. It's a little bit fruity.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah. Where should we go?
No, I don't think we need any more mint. We're gonna get
Mommy, which
minted.
way
Oh,
should
we're
I
minted.
go?
Oh, apple mint. Is this the one that we don't like when I smell it?
That was the strawberry mint. That wasn't.
Oh yeah, that one smells good. Smell it?
Yeah.
Smells pretty good.
Check that spearmint.
Orange mint, we had that. I don't know if we still have it. Spearmint we should get. That's what I like to make tea out of all the time. Oh, it doesn't smell good though. That smells like petroleum too. Weird. I don't know, my nose is off today.
Mommy,
Yeah.
which way should I go?
Check the Swiss mint.
This Swiss mint. Pepperita.
You'll have to hold that.
It says it's a treat for the senses. Oh yeah, that smells really good. It's like smooth and creamy.
Me?
Yeah, that has a smooth smell to it. A little bit
Getting that one
peppermint.
Mommy,
too.
which way should I turn?
Hold on.
So I can't keep moving. I'm
This?
not going to move a step.
This smells so good. This is what Kelsey gave me. I feel like I want to get like 5 more of them because they smell so good. Smell that. It smells like perfume to me. It smells so good.
Yeah.
Next year I want to grow a lot of this. It smells good. They have toothache plants here. They have little flowers on already. I tried to grow these from seed, but it was in the bad soil and they didn't make it. We should get one of these because that would be fun. That's the one where the flowers make your mouth numb. Look, I've never heard of this. Sweet Annie. That's cute. A dense, bushy selection with fragrant, finely cut ferny foliage. Interesting addition to fresh or dried floral arrangements. I've never heard of that. Have you?
Nope.
All right, guys. Let's keep moving. Are you gonna have to light? All right. Look at how absolutely gorgeous this place is. I could have spent hours here looking at everything. I didn't tempt myself too much in the flower section, but I did want to look. I've been watching for some hollyhock, and there was hollyhock here, but these were more of a dwarf variety. They only got to be about 24 to 36 inches tall, and I wanted the really tall regal hollyhock. I want to put them along a split rail fence, and I wanted them to be the like 5 to 6 foot tall hollyhock, and I just haven't been able to find them. I don't know why. but everybody has little mini ones, so I didn't pick these up, but they were beautiful. Everything that was here was beautiful and so healthy looking.
24. It's only like 24.
They even had a section with aquatic plants, which was pretty cool. We have such fun things here. Don't knock over that puppy dog. After we were done at the greenhouse, we actually drove over to Ethan's sister's house. Her and her husband just got these little baby goats for their son to do 4-H with. And they are little, I think, Nigerian dwarf goats, and they were so precious. We didn't get too close to them because they had just picked them up today, and they were a little bit skittish and getting used to their surroundings, but they were awfully cute. And then we went home and I planted some of my plants. These peppers didn't come from Smucker's garden. We had actually picked these up on the way over there at a farmer's market, but I planted these and my tomatillos and my herbs. It was a little bit of a race to get done because we were expecting a thunderstorm and I wanted to make sure I got everything in the ground before it started raining. And we finished up our Friday evening with a nice, gentle, soaking rain, which we needed so badly. We could actually use several days of rain like this. And even with just the little bit that we got, everything in the garden really seemed to perk up, and it's amazing what a little bit of rain will do. All right, well, thank you for spending a Friday with our family. And if you're ever in the central Pennsylvania area, you definitely need to check out Smucker's Garden. I will leave a link below to their website, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.